Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mitson Learning here, and welcome to this review of the C++ Programming for Beginners course on Udemy. If you're new to programming or looking to get started with C++, this course is for you. In this video, I'll take you through the course objectives, content, target audience, and my overall impressions. By the end, you'll have a good idea of whether this course is the right fit for you and your learning goals. Course objectives. The course objectives are to provide a solid foundation in the fundamentals of C++ programming. By the end of the course, students will be able to write and compile C++ programs, understand basic data types, variables, and operators in C++. Use conditional statements and loops to control program flow. Create and use functions to modularize code and improve reusability. Understand object-oriented programming concepts and create simple classes and objects. Use debugging techniques Course content. The course content is divided into 8 sections, each covering a different aspect of C++ programming. The sections are 1. Introduction to C++ Programming. 2. Getting started with code blocks. 3. Fundamentals of C++. 4. Program structure. 5. Functions and parameters. 6. Object-oriented programming. 7. Arrays and strings. 8. Conditional statements and loops throughout the course. Students will work on a variety of hands-on exercises and projects to reinforce their learning and build their confidence in programming. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for complete beginners with no prior programming experience. It is also suitable for those with some programming experience but are new to C++. The course is designed to be accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of computers and a willingness to learn. Required readings. While the course itself is a comprehensive introduction to C++, it is recommended that students have a copy of a C++ programming textbook or online resource for additional reference and support. Overall impressions. The C++ Programming for Beginners course is a well-structured and engaging introduction to C++ programming. The instructor's teaching style is clear and easy to follow, making it ideal for beginners. The course content covers all the essential topics, and the hands-on exercises provide a good balance of theory and practice. The target audience of complete beginners will find this course particularly useful, as it starts from the basics and gradually builds up their programming skills. However, even those with some programming experience can benefit from this course as a solid foundation in C++. In conclusion, if you're looking to get started with C++ programming or want to strengthen your fundamentals, this course is a great choice. With its clear instruction, comprehensive content, and practical approach, you'll be on your way to becoming a proficient C++ programmer in no time. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it helped you decide whether this course is right for you. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description to enroll.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.